ones are like, please don't skip this video because I will show you free Robux. You watch it. You spend your time watching it. And it's fake. Don't ever meet them and watch them, or else you will be exploded. And there's one like, please subscribe so you get good luck, and don't scroll because you will never see me again. What is that, bro? What? How can Jesus get a phone when he's only in the sky?